a photographer for all the training.
You are my photographer.
I don't like this thing.
Sorry, okay. Okay.
I like that business.
Let's go.
Will you put music?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes. I'll put music. Yeah. I love it. Ayan na, gawa na. I'm blessed because I'm not wearing high heels.
Eh?
I find it difficult to lecture with high heels. So I'm not wearing high heels. I'm wearing my flats as I'm flexing. Follow me.
You put in your Instagram, you put my own in my own. Then it will be equal.
The team.
The two will be equal.
Let me come and let's start work. Say action.
Okay, I should pause it.
Action.
Action.
Cut it. No, cut it. Pause it.
Please, mom, hello, mom, and daddy. Please like, comment, and subscribe my video.